Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Amazon Prime Video keep stopping error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are unable to watch videos because your app keeps stopping, most likely it's because Amazon Prime Video has experienced a glitch and that needs to be fixed, or the app contains a bug that needs to be fixed as well. So in both cases, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now, in the first case, you need to go to your smartphone and locate your Amazon Prime Video app. And here I have my Prime Video. From here, you need to access its app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. By tapping on it, you will access the app info to troubleshoot this app. However, if you don't have this option on your smartphone, then you can also do this through settings. Here, go to settings and then look for apps, and you should see all your apps here. If you don't see, look for manage apps, and this will list all your apps. Search for Prime Video and you'll be on the app info page. First, force stop the app to stop any background activity that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache. Again, go to clear all data and OK. Once you're done, you'll need to restart your smartphone, and you have to note that you'll be logged out of your account, so you'll need to log in afresh. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix any issue with your Prime Video app. But should your app continue stopping even after doing that, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store. If you're on iPhone, so for my case I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store, and from Play Store search for your app, open it and find out if we have any update. One of the reasons might be you are using an outdated version that might contain these issues. So by updating this app to the latest version, now you should have your app running without any issue. But should your app keep on stopping even after updating, for that it means the app contains bugs, and you need to uninstall the app and install it afresh for you to fix any bugs that might be associated with your Prime Video app. So let me know which of this method was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, let's meet in the next video.